This is the Realme GT7 Dream Edition, and it might just be your next power-packed obsession. Inside the box, you get the paperwork, a protective case, a 120-watt Super Dart charger, a USB-C cable, a SIM ejector tool, and finally, the star of the show, the Realme GT7 Dream Edition itself. The device features the powerful Dimensity 940E processor, up to 16 GB RAM, and 512 storage, ensuring top-tier performance. It sports a 6.78-inch AMOLED display with 1.5K resolution, 144 Hz refresh rate, and 6,000 nits brightness. The camera setup includes a 50-megapixel main, 50-megapixel telephoto, 8-megapixel ultra-wide, and a 32-megapixel selfie camera. Powering it all is a 7,000 mAh battery that charges fully in under 25 minutes.